Speak Up, navigating the world with your voice. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English learning series. Today, we are going to talk about an exciting topic: using voice commands and voice guidance with your smartphone apps. In our fast-paced digital world, this is a handy skill that can help you navigate and move around with ease. Voice commands are instructions given to a device using our voice. Today, most smartphones and apps are built with voice command technology to make their usage more accessible and hands-free. Some commonly used voice commands include navigate to, show me the way to, how do I get to, etc. For example, you can tell your smartphone, navigate to the nearest coffee shop, and it will provide directions. Remember, voice commands are all about clarity. Speak slowly and clearly, making sure to pronounce your words well. This is great practice for your English pronunciation too. After you've given a voice command, the app will provide voice guidance. This means the app will use spoken instructions to guide you to your destination. These instructions are typically phrased in simple English, like, turn left in 200 meters, or, take the second right. Listening to these voice-guided instructions can be excellent practice for your listening skills in English. Plus, you can learn some new vocabulary related to directions. Let's try some practice scenarios. Imagine you're in a city and you want to go to a famous landmark. You can practice by saying, navigate to the Statue of Liberty. Try varying your destinations and commands to get comfortable with using different phrases and place names. Similarly, while receiving voice guidance, pretend you're actually following the directions. Visualize the instructions as if you're really making the turns and adjustments according to the voice guidance. Using voice commands and voice guidance is not just a cool tech-savvy skill. It also aids in improving your English speaking and listening skills. By using English in a practical, everyday context like navigation, you're learning by doing, one of the most effective ways to master a new language. And that's a wrap for today's lesson on using voice commands and voice guidance. We hope you found it helpful and intriguing. Don't forget, the more you practice, the better you'll get at using your voice to navigate and at speaking and understanding English. Until next time, keep exploring, and keep practicing.